Congratulations if you have followed my previous videos. In the first video, I taught how to give the best prompt to ChatGPT so that it's going to give us the best website copy for our website. In the second video, we created our website with the website copy that ChatGPT gave us. And in today's video, we are publishing our website to go live. We now have a beautiful website created with AI, but our website is still on our phone or our computer. In this video, I will show you how to publish it online so anyone in the world can access it. Now, let's get started. Welcome back to MWM Academy, and if you're new here, my name is Mariam and I teach how to use AI to create website, video and digital products that help you earn online. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, make sure you do because this video builds on them. Now, let's go to class. So this is our class, this is our website, the one we built in the last class. So you can see that it's now blue, white and gold, our brown color. Now we are going to go to code. So let me show you the button that goes to code. Now you can see code, you can see preview. Click on code. So you now go to export. Once you click on export, it's going to give you two options. Click on the one at the bottom that download as zip code or zip file. It will download to your phone like this. Yes, if you go and check it, you will see it there. You can click on open just confirm, but you don't have to understand all this code. That one is not our point. That is not why we are here. We just want to download it, that's all. Once you've done that, go to your browser and type netlify.com. Make sure you click on that push your idea to the web. There might be a lot of options for you, but make sure it is that one that you clicked on. So it's going to take you to the next page. Then it's going to take you to Netlify page, like the interface. So for you, you can now sign up. But for me, I'm just going to click on login and you are going to see my work, what I've done before. So I have to use my email. Sign up with your email. So it's just going to ask you a few questions. Signing up on Netlify is very, very easy. It's not stressful. So I'll click on my email and I'm going to load my work. Because I've been working using this netlify.com, you're going to see my work. For you, you're not going to see any work. You're just going to see that place that is showing upload file. Now browse file to upload. That browse file. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to your phone, the files on your phone. Then you now look for the file that we downloaded on Google AI. So you click on that trade line, then it's going to bring out some, and then click on download. After download, it's going to take you to where you can see that zip, that you can see something like zip. Yes, it's that file that look like zip like that. Yes, it's that file. Then it's going to bring you back here and you are going to allow it to load. It's going to bring out all this code. You are less concerned about code. Just wait for all these things to write completed. Once everything is completed, then you are good to go. Let's wait. Let's allow it to load. Yeah, we are getting there. You can see that's just it. So after once everything is completed, then you now go and deploy it. So you go to oh yeah, it's because it's not on desktop. We have to switch to desktop. So to do that, you click on that three dots. It is very, very simple. Just click on the three dots and it's going to bring you this page. Then scroll down until you see desktop. So once you click on desktop, it's going to set up the interface as desktop. So you now go to that product overview. Yes, that first one, the one after that product overview, that project overview. Yeah. So you now go and this is where we now change the name to what the name of the company you are working for. Let's assume it's Style and Light. Now you are now going to change it to styleandlight.netlify.com. But my own now I'm going to change it to mwmacademy.com. Just tap on quick setup and you can edit. If you typed your name, if you are done typing your name and you are seeing something red or is not approving it, that means somebody is using the name. So if nobody is using the name, you can use it. You just put .netlify.app. Just make sure you click on that update project name. Once you click on it, that means your website is live. So in case, I will go and check it now. In case you want to check, maybe is you want to later add pictures, you have style, or maybe it is bag that you are making, it is shoe that you are making, you just feel like, oh, let me update my website. You now go back to your AI, your Google AI, you edit it. Just type it that do this. It's going to edit it. You will download it again and you now come back and update it. So you can go to your browser now and type mwmacademy.netlify.app. Then that is our website. So that's how simple it is, and it is editable. You can come back, maybe one button is not working, the other one, just go to your Google AI, type it, this is what I want to do, then download the zip file again, come back here and upload it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. Make sure you like, make sure you share to your friend. Yes, let's share this knowledge. Now let me tell you how I get my clients. I always go to all those business owners' profile. I will go and check their bio. If there is no website, if there is no link to any website, that means they did not have a website. Now you go to their comment section or their DM and greet them in a humble way. Hello ma'am, hello sir, how is business? I create websites, and if you don't mind, I can create one for you. Send them the sample of your work, what you have done before. That link, send it to them. The one that you even build now, if you build it very well, make sure you send it to them for them to see the sample. And another thing is that you are the one that go to them. So don't charge them too much that they will now be like, it's not like they want to do before and they will now run away. Just tell them that normally we used to build website like 80k to 50k, that's just it. But don't just tell them how much can you afford, how much do you think you can afford. So you get, even if they say it is 20k that they can afford, collect it. Everything you are using here is free. What you have in your head is not going. So you understand, collect it and build it for them. So if you build it for them and another person now sees it and the person now come back to you and be like, oh, you do this for this person, means I also want to do, you cannot be charging the person that. So that's it, and bye. See you in my next video.